Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. This video is intended for those that may own a Premier Hazard 9004 series sonic siren amplifier. So if you've been on eBay and you purchased yourself a siren that came from a police car or ambulance in the UK and you haven't the pigtail connector or the wiring with it, because the seller hacked it out of the vehicle and didn't include it, you may be stuck and wondering, what connector do I need? So for the Sonic 9004 Premier Hazard siren amplifier, whether that be 12 or 24 volts, you will need a 2x8 or a 16 pin connector. The connector in question are these. Part number on the bag: Alpha Charlie 0149 00 Delta 01 Bravo 10. I will put a link in the video description to where you can buy these on eBay. These are Molex. I don't know whether they're genuine or clones, but these are an exact direct fit Molex connector. A 16 pin or 2x8 packet of 5, £7, delivered directly from China, with the terminal connector pins inside, which you can either crimp on with a really expensive £500 gun, or you can crimp them on with some needle nose pliers and apply a bit of solder. But these are the connectors. They're easy to get hold of when you know what they are. So I'll put a link in the description of the video, like I've said, to where you can find these, and you can thank me in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it helps somebody. Subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Press the bell icon for notifications.